Have you ever thought how one small mistake can destroy everything? What you're about to see isn't just random accidents. These are real moments caused by carelessness and overconfidence. 1 second of distraction and lives can change forever. This video isn't just for fun, it's a warning. So if you care about safety, hit the subscribe button now, because today you'll see crashes that teach lessons the hard way. Number 15. This fool really outdid himself today. The way he handled that car, it looked less like driving and more like a suicide attempt. Not only did he risk his own life, but he also put everyone near that petrol station in serious danger. One small spark, and the whole place could have turned into a fireball. Thank God, no lives were lost. Otherwise, this could have been a scene straight out of a tragedy. Number 14. He really crossed every limit of carelessness. On a straight and empty road where even a child could have driven safely, he still managed to lose control. Instead of keeping his car in line, he drove straight onto the footpath like he was parking in his own yard. It honestly makes you wonder, how do people like this even pass a driving test? This was a full-on license revoked performance. Number 13. These two drivers were clearly in their own world, driving like they were in some kind of Formula One race, both speeding, both reckless, and neither caring about what's coming from the opposite side. It's almost like common sense took a vacation. But now the real question is, who's actually at fault here? The left driver who didn't slow down, or the right one who thought he owned the road? Tell me what you think in the comments. Number 12. Now this one's just absurd. The victim himself ran straight toward the safety service vehicle, like he already knew where to go after crashing. It's almost funny, like watching a thief rob someone and then walk himself to the police station. This wasn't just an accident, it was a full-blown irony show on wheels. Number 11. It's a miracle these two survived. The picnic they were planning could have turned into a nightmare in seconds. The guy who hit them, I swear, he must have been on something stronger than fuel. Who drives straight into a roadside board at that speed? Either he was blind or completely out of his mind. Whatever the reason, it's nothing short of divine mercy that everyone walked away alive. Number 10. Let this be a lesson to every driver out there. Check your brakes before you hit the road. The black car in this clip clearly didn't. Full speed, no control, and then chaos. You can even hear the sound of destruction in the background. And just when you think it's over, flames appear. This isn't a movie, but it sure looks like one. The only difference is, real lives are at stake here. Number 9. Rain, wet roads, and an overloaded truck. The perfect recipe for disaster. The moment those tires lost grip, the truck slid like it was skating on ice, taking down everything in its path. It didn't just stop there. Another truck got caught in the chain reaction. The damage? Massive. The cause? Pure negligence. Sometimes it's not speed that kills, it's overconfidence mixed with bad weather.
Number 8.
This crash was straight up brutal. The car slammed into a truck, which then smashed into a bus, setting off a chain of destruction no one could stop. The sound, the force, the smoke, it looked like a scene from an action movie gone wrong. You can almost feel the impact through the screen. God knows how anyone survived that. Number 7. This bus driver wasn't confident. He was dangerously overconfident. He came flying down the road like he had something to prove. But when the moment came to hit the brakes, reality hit harder. The result? 7, maybe 8 cars crushed beneath that giant machine. It's a reminder, skill without control isn't power. It's destruction waiting to happen. Number 6. One small mistake, not checking the tires. One big consequence, total chaos. The car was moving perfectly fine until the tire burst, and then it all went downhill from there. The impact, the damage, the shock, everything happened in a split second. It just proves one thing. When it comes to driving, even the smallest negligence can turn your good day into your worst nightmare. Number 5. Now this one looked straight out of a movie. The car literally flew through the air, twisting mid-air like it belonged in a stunt scene. But the driver, somehow, miraculously, made it out alive. He jumped out just in time, escaping what could have been certain death. It's almost unbelievable how thin the line between luck and loss can be. Number 4. Here's what happens when you trust technology more than yourself. This guy relied completely on Tesla's auto mode, and it drove him straight into a building. The car followed the command, but the driver clearly didn't think it through. Auto mode is smart, sure, but it's not magic. One wrong assumption, and you're watching your car park itself in the living room. Number 3. He was driving fine, steady in his lane, and then out of nowhere, he swerved. No signal, no reason, just chaos. Crashed into another car and doubled the destruction. It's like his brain just glitched mid-drive. That 1 second of stupidity cost 2 people more than they ever expected. Number 2. This one's almost painful to watch. The way he crashed, it's hard to believe he wasn't under the influence. No sane person misses a car coming straight at them. The collision was head-on, pure madness. When you're high on something and low on focus, the result is always the same disaster. And finally, number 1. The driver was in such a rush to reach home that he didn't realize he'd literally drive straight into it. One wrong move, and he crashed right through the house wall. I'm sure after this, he won't just drive slower. He'll probably think twice before touching the steering wheel again. That's it. Every single one of these crashes teaches the same truth. Speed thrills, but it kills. Every overtake, every distraction, every moment of arrogance behind the wheel. It all adds up. So drive smart, drive safe, and make sure your story doesn't end up in the next crash compilation. Subscribe now. Until then, take care of your cars. And even better, take care of yourself.